Hey guys, this is the PS5 controller because unfortunately I wasn't able to get my hands on the actual console, but I still wanted to give you guys an unboxing of something that was easily accessible by Sony, which is the PS5 controller. And a lot of people were talking about this, how amazing it is, so I guess I'll give you guys my unboxing experience of the PS5 controller. So, stupid bots. Anyway, let's get with the unboxing. All right, so as you guys can see, this is the DualSense wireless controller for the PS5. Has haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, which is what a lot of tech tubers are talking about. I can't try that out because I don't have a PS5 yet. Built-in microphone and signature comfort. I'm curious to see how comfortable this is. Honestly, I will say though, I'm still kind of excited to unbox this controller because, like I said, a lot of tech tubers are talking about how just different it is, and this controller in itself is next gen. Come on, Sony, don't play games right now. This is it. You guys want me to read this in the other language? Manette de Jusant Feliz DualSense. Yeah, I tried. Oh, this got some weight to it. Ooh, it's already glowing. What does it smell like? It smells like burnt rubber. It smells like burnt rubber, yeah. Burnt rubber. That's the only aroma coming off of it, but. Okay, so let me take you guys around the controller. This controller, for one, is beautiful, seriously. It has like this soft touch to it on the front of where you rest your palms. But as you can see, this is your D-pad on the left-hand side. We have a button that I don't know what it does. This button, I don't know what it does. I'm guessing it's the menu button. This might be the share button, kind of like the PS4, although if I had a PS5 in front of me, I would immediately know what those buttons do. On the right-hand side, we have our traditional action buttons, which is X, circle, triangle, and square, staple in the Sony world. We have our thumbsticks, which feel pretty much identical to the PlayStation 4 controllers. They feel really solid. We have the PlayStation logo. If you press it, it does power on the controller with these blue LED lights around this touchpad in the middle. On the bottom here, we have a mute switch, which is really surprising to see. This is really good that they have it built into the controller. And on the bottom here, we have our headset jack. On the top, USB-C, love it, Sony logo. Then we have our triggers up here, the adaptive ones. Can't test them out because I don't have a PlayStation 5, unfortunately. We have our bumpers, which are quite huge compared to the previous generation on the PS4. So as you can see on the PS4 controller, we do have smaller bumpers because it seems to have like this gap in between here to separate it from the trigger, where on the PlayStation 5 controller, that gap is essentially gone. There is still a gap if you look closely, but it seems that they're almost the same size, the trigger and the bumper. So that's really nice to see. Like I said before, there is USB-C, so that is honestly amazing to see on this controller. Just overall, this feels like a really comfortable and solid controller compared to the PS4. This one is good. I really do enjoy the time that I spent using this controller, but this one definitely just feels more solid and robust. In terms of the weight comparison, I would say that the PS5 controller, it almost feels the same. I just think that the PS5 controller, I guess since it's bigger, it doesn't feel as heavy as it looks. It's honestly still pretty lightweight. But this it looks like it's a glass with the directional pad and the buttons, but it's some type of plastic. It looks really, really clean. I love it. But yeah, this is around the PS5 controller, and I'm telling you, I cannot wait till custom color themes come out for these controllers because it looks so beautiful with the inner black and the outer white. It's just, Sony did a fantastic job on creating this controller, no doubt. It's so beautiful. If you plug it in, you have this nice orange hue that lights up around the middle part right here. Okay, so I'm doing a quick voiceover right now. This is just me showing you guys that I'm playing Shadow of the Tomb Raider on my PC with Bluetooth I have it connected through Steam Big Picture, and it works as if it's a regular PS4, Xbox One controller. If you do want to play games that aren't with Steam, you do have to add it to your library and launch it through Big Picture. Using this controller though, it feels like the PS4 controller, but just a little bit more polished. Overall, I enjoy it. So I guess I'll just try and adjust to using the controller, and then when I get the PS5 in hand, I'll do my unboxing on that because that's the most exciting product, I would say. But overall, I think the finish of this controller is phenomenal compared to the previous generation of the PS4. PS4 controller is great in its own, I guess, realm, but this really does just look and feels like it's in a league of its own. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this unboxing. I don't know when I'm gonna get the PS5, probably like 2022 if I'm lucky. With all that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the PlayStation 5 controller. I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. Share with your friends. And as always, guys, much love. And good luck to anyone trying to get the PS5 before the holiday season is over, because it's gonna be pretty rough until maybe like mid-2021. I'm gonna go to my room now and just spend some time with my PS5 controller. And I don't know. I don't have a PS5, so.
February? I'll be 60 by the time I get this.